Greetings from ADmira. In this tutorial, we'll see how to configure a project in order to work with ADmira's advanced mode. First, let's create the categories in which we shall classify the content. Click on Add Category and fill the name and description for the new category. If you click the plus button, you can add tags to the category. Each tag represents a subcategory in which the content will be classified. You can delete existing tags clicking the minus icon. Follow these steps for each category you need to create. It's a good idea making a category just for filler content. We'll see later what filler content stands for. With this, we're finished with categories. Let's begin with criteria, which define the distribution of content. Go to Admin, Production, Criteria, and click on New Criterion. With criteria, you must specify at least a tag while creating them. In this case, we're going to differentiate between malls and zones within those malls. Thus, we'll make two criteria, mall and area. Inside mall, we'll create three tags, one for each mall we have players in. In area, we'll differentiate three zones: cinema, restaurant, and leisure. Now, we'll create a ratio. A ratio is a emission quota for each content category. For each quota, click on Add Percent. Give a name and a percentage. The sum of all percentages must be exactly 100%. Now we have created the ratio with its quota. We must link those percentages to categories. Click the envelope icon. Check all the categories that correspond to each quota. Now, we must assign criteria to a player in our circuit and change its mode to advanced mode. Click on the pen icon. Go to the bottom and click Edit. In playlist mode, change it to Auto. confirm and apply changes. Now, we'll assign criteria to the player. Check all criterion that corresponds to the player. Now you must select a radio for the player's emission. Now you've created an advanced mode playlist. You may want to fill that playlist with content. All you have to do now is selecting the criteria and category for the content you upload. You can do that while uploading content or editing the content you already have in the system. For example, this content is a cinema poster, and we want it to be displayed on the cinema area and only in 2 of the 3 malls we have. Also, you can edit the emission schedule for this content in particular, showings per hour, per example. By default, all content has unlimited emission schedule, which means it will act as filler content and fill all the gaps the system finds on the scheduling. We've set this content to be displayed 20 times per hour. Do the same with all the content you're going to upload from now on. When you're done, the playlist will begin to generate automatically. You can check it at Admin, Production, Playlists with Criteria. You can also see the list of content for that playlist and the detailed scheduling. When the player finishes downloading the content, it will begin to broadcast it according to the scheduling. You can go to Admin, Manage, Live to check if the emission is running well. We hope we have helped you through this tutorial. If you have any questions, please contact us.